Need a wind. Hold up, peeps. Yeah, you see that awesome truck right there? Oh, that awesome flag. Who's got that flag? Nobody. What does that say? Stitch Wars at Tate's? Yeah. Thank you.